Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to download audio from Canva. Whether we are working on a video or a presentation, we can follow these simple steps to save our audio file quickly and easily. On the Canva dashboard, to download audio, we need to click the audio option on the left side of the tools. Once we are there, we just need to choose the audio we want to download. For example, we can see all this audio here under Popular now. We just need to select one that is free, without the logo, because only premium users can use audio with that logo. For example, here we will download this audio. We just click on it. As we can see, it is now added to our project. It has not been downloaded yet, but it is now in our project. We can now use the audio in our Canva project. That is how we can download audio from Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can save and reuse our audio anytime we need.